Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And in this video, I want to share with you one question that was asked to me earlier today. A patient of mine asked me, what do I do in the morning when I get up that will help relieve my pain, like on the back, all right? So relieve the back pain. A lot of times when we sleep, we tend to be stationary position. Now, as it gets colder, or when it gets cold, we tend to kind of stiffen up, meaning we kind of hunch over or curl up like in a fetal position and then stay there in order to preserve heat. A lot of times we don't even move, especially when you're dead tired. All right, so what is the best way to actually counter that pain when you wake up? Because you wake up stiff and in pain, all right? So my advice to that patient is, what you can do is, one, is you can actually kind of stretch up when you get up, kind of stretch up going this way. So that will counter that curled up posture that you've been doing when you were sleeping. Usually when you do that, you're gonna start feeling good. And even if, let's say, you don't wanna do it when you're standing, you have pain already when you're standing, you can do it on your bed. Actually, just start and go on your tummy and start kind of pushing yourself up, and that will help stretch this already. Now, what if you're more of a back sleeper, or let's say a tummy sleeper? So your back is kind of extended already. What you can do is, you can bring your knee, bring it to your chest. You can do one at a time. Hold it for 10, 15, 20 seconds. And then if you can, actually do both at the same time. That will reverse the posture that you were having when you were sleeping, which is the back being extended like this. All right, so you can do either one of those depending on how you were sleeping, and that will at least stretch those muscles, get blood flowing, and it will help you relieve that pain or soreness or stiffness before you get up. So that way, when you get up, when you stand up, you're not in pain anymore. It doesn't take too long. Just do it a few seconds, up to a minute, when you combine them all together. And that way, it's not, you can avoid that pain. And you can continue with your other exercises during the day that can help relieve you of more pain or even prevent the pain from coming back. All right, so I hope you learned something from this episode of the video of how to end chronic pain. And I want to hear what your comments are, so feel free to leave your feedback and your comments in the box below. And if you like this video, you can like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on Instagram. All right, till next time, I want to see you in the next video of how to end chronic pain. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.